How to fix the cracked Duolingo icon. Hello everyone, and let's get started. If you would like to fix the Duolingo's cracked icon, here are the steps to fix it. So first and foremost, launch your Duolingo app. But here is a small catch. To unlock the ability to change your app's icon or fix the cracked icon, you need to complete at least 7 consecutive days of learning. This is represented by the streak icon which is at the top of your dashboard. This is to track your progress. So tap on it and then tap on the personal tab. After achieving a 7-day streak, navigate to the Streak Society section. And this way you can claim the reward. Tap on joining the Streak Society. This way it grants access to exclusive rewards, including the ability to change your app icon. Within the rewards section, you can restart your app to change to Streak Society icon. Alternatively, you can tap Restore Original icon to revert to the default app icon as well. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.